Dear students, today I am going to give you details information about syllabus reduction for academic year 2020-21 of Mathematics Paper 1, that is Algebra for Standard 9. First only I want to tell you that whatever syllabus reduced for academic year 2020-21, you have to do the self-study of that syllabus. It won't be asked in the exam, since whatever reduced syllabus is there, it is useful and helpful for the higher studies in mathematics. First chapter set. The reduced content are page number 6. Page number 6 equal set. Page number 6. Example number 3 and 4. Example 3 and example 4 are reduced. Then page number 7, practice set 1.2, question number 4, example number 4. In that sub question 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Then page number 8, from page number 8, reduced content is this activity box. Solve example second and third. Solve example second and third. Line number 10 to 16. Then page number 9. From page number 9, activity box. This entire activity box is reduced. Then let us discuss this part is reduced. Then afterwards page number 11, practice set 1.3, example number 6 and 7. Page number 11, practice set 1.3, example number 6 and example number 7. Then page number 12, here activity box, activity number 1. Then page number 13, activity box, activity second is reduced. Then page number 15, from page number 15, solve example second method word problem. This is the word problem second method. This part, only this second method is reduced from the page number 50. Then page number 16, from page number 16, practice set 1.4, example 3 and 4. From page number 16, practice set 1.4, example number 3 and 4. Then page number 17, problem set 1, example number 6. Example number 6, problem set 1 from page number 17. From page number 18, problem set example number 7, third example. Then example number 9 and 10, example number 9 and 10, and activity box 1 and 2 complete. This activity 1 and activity 2 is reduced from the syllabus from chapter number 1. Now from second chapter, real numbers, the reduced content are from page number 21. From page number 21, practice set 2.1, example first, fourth and fifth sub question. Page number 21, practice set 2.1, example 2, fourth and fifth, practice set 2.1, example 3, sub question 4 and 5. So from here, question number 1, 4 and 5, example 2, 4 and 5, then example 3, 4 and 5 from page number 21. Now from page number 23, number pi, this activity number 1. Then page number 34, directly page number, from page number 34, activity 1 and activity 2. Activity 1 and activity 2 are reduced. Then problem set 2, page number 35, example number 7 and example number 8, fourth and fifth sub question examples are reduced. So here from question number, example number 7, fourth and fifth, and page number 35, example number 8, fourth and fifth. So this is content reduced from second chapter. From third chapter, polynomials, the reduced content are page number 42. From page number 42, from page number 42, second method, linear method of division, this method is reduced. Page number 43, practice set 3.2, example number 6, sixth example from page number 43 is reduced. Page number 44, activity box, entire box is reduced. From page number 45, last 1 to 8 lines. So this method, that is linear method of division, it is there, this is reduced from the syllabus. Page number 46, from page number 46, solve example second method, line number 9 to 12 is reduced from the syllabus. Then again page number 46, practice set 3.3, question example number 1, sub question 5 and 6. Then page number 52, from page number 52, activity box last 15 lines. So this activity box is reduced. Then page number 53, practice set 3.5, example number 10, 11, 12 and 13. 10, 11, 12 and 13. Then page number 55, from page number 55, practice set 3.6, page number 55, practice set 3.6, question number 2, example number 5, 6 and 7, example number 5, 6 and 7 are reduced. Then page number 56, from page number 56, problem set 3, example number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. This all 5 examples are reduced from the problem set 3, example number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. This all 5 examples are reduced. So this was content reduced from the third chapter. Now from fourth chapter, ratio and proportion, the reduced content is from page number 61, solve example 5. So from page number 61, solve example number 5 is reduced. Then page number 61 again, practice set 4.1, example number 2nd, 5th and 6th example from 2nd, 5th and 6th. Then again practice set 4.1, example number 7th example, 7th one and 8, both examples are reduced. Then page number 64, from page number 64, practice set 4.2, from page number 64, practice set 4.2, example number 4, in that 3rd, 4th and 5th, from 3rd, 4th and 5th, example number 4, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Then practice set 4.2, 5th, 6th and 7th, 5th, 6th and 7th example are reduced from the syllabus. Now, next from page number 70, activity box, page number 70, activity box 1, and this also down one, both the activity box are reduced. Then page number 74, from page number 74, practice set 4.4, example number 3rd, 4th and 5th. This is practice set 4.4, example number 3, 3rd, 4th and 5th. 3rd, 4th and 5th. Again, from page number 76 now. From page number 76, solve example number 3rd and 4th. Page number 76, solve example 3rd and 4th example are reduced from the syllabus. Now page number 77, practice set 4.5, 5th and 6th example. Page number 77, practice set 4.5, 5th and 6th example are reduced. Then same page number 77, activity box. Now problem set 4, page number 78, example number 9. From page number 78, example number 9 is reduced. And from page number 79, problem set 4, example 11, 12 and 13. Example number 11 from page number 79, 11, 12 and 13 are reduced. So this was the reduced content of chapter number 4, ratio and proportion. Now from 5th chapter, the reduced content are linear equation in 2 variables, page number 85. From page number 85, substitution method for solving simultaneous equation. This complete page is reduced from the syllabus. Now page number 91, from page number 91, practice set 5.2, example number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Word problems. This 7, 8, 9 and 10 are reduced from the syllabus. Then problem set 5, page number 91, example number 2nd, 5th and 6th sub question. 5th and 6th sub questions are reduced. Then page number 92, problem set, page number 91, problem set 5, example number 2nd, or page number 92, problem set 5, page number 92, problem set 5, example number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are reduced from the syllabus. Now from chapter number 6, page number 98, from page number financial planning, chapter number 6, from page number 98, activity, both the activity in the box, activity number 2, both the activities are reduced from the syllabus, page number 1 to 5 and page number 1 to 21. Now from page number 103, from page number 103, income tax table 3, this table is reduced, plus project is reduced from the syllabus. Page number 106, from page number 106, from page number 106, example practice set 6.2, example number 1, 5th question, 5th sub question, De Silva, which is for senior citizen, it is reduced from the syllabus. Now page number 107, problem set 6. From problem set 6, example number 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7 and 8 are reduced from the syllabus. Then problem set, and at last page number 107, this table ICT tools and links is reduced from the syllabus. statistic from this chapter, page number 111, 111, page number, from page number 111, activity box. This activity box is reduced. Then page number 112, from page number 112, use your brain power, and let us discuss. These 2 points are reduced from the syllabus. Then from page number 118, practice set 7.3, example number 6. From this page 118, example number 6 is reduced. From page number 119, exercise practice set 7.3, example number 9 and 10. Then from page number 122, practice set 7.4, fourth example. This fourth example. Then page number 125, practice set 7.5, example number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. All these examples are reduced from practice set 7.5, page number 125. Page number 125, example number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 are reduced from the syllabus. Now page number 128, from page number 128, problem set 7, from problem set 7, 128, example number 7 and 8 and 128, fun with the maths. This box means entire page 128 pages reduced from the syllabus. This was the content reduced from the maths paper 1 for the academic year 2020-21. Thank you.